a really big family, I think. I think of my second home.
I feel really attached to the school, and like I have a lot of pride in it, and I'm very proud to be a tornado.
I love you so, hey, that's what you'll say. You'll tell me, baby, baby, please don't go away. But when I play, I never stay. Every girl that I meet, yeah, this is what I say. Run, run away, baby. Before I put my spell on you, you better get away, darling. 'Cause everything you heard is true.
Like we can all come together as a whole, and we can all help each other out.
What should I do? So many eager young bunnies that I'd like to pursue. Now even though they're eating out the palm of my hand, there's only one carrot and they all gotta share it. I love you so, hey, that's what you'll say. You'll tell me, baby, baby, please don't go